Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Long-term complications of polycystic ovarian syndrome includes the patient presents with hirsutism, irregular cycles and infertility. Complications of Long-term complications of polycystic ovarian syndrome include the patient might have coronary artery disease, the patient may have dyslipidemia leading to metabolic X syndrome. In metabolic X syndrome, there is increased triglyceride levels, increased fasting glucose levels, increased triglyceride levels are increased to more than 150, increased fasting glucose levels to more than 100, decreased HDL to less than 50, increased blood pressure to more than 130 by 85 millimeters of Hg, and increased waist circumference. Other complications like there can be endometrial hyperplasia, which increases the risk of endometrial carcinoma, ovarian carcinoma, and breast carcinoma. It can be due to obesity like sleep apnea, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis and depression, and diabetes mellitus due to insulin resistance is also a complication.
thank you and thank you for watching.